Hello guys, this is Sauthabh Datto and welcome to our channel 1 to N Teaching. Welcome to the next video of Calculate the Calculus. Today we will solve some problems from the book SND class 11 exercise 3 marks 4 question number 4. Our first problem is find the differentiation of fx equal to x plus 1 by x at x equal to 1. To find the differentiation of fx at x equal to 1, we will first differentiate fx. The differentiation of fx equal to x plus 1 by x is simply 1 minus x to the power minus 2. Now, dfx dx at x equal to 1 is 1 minus 1 to the power minus 2, which is 0. Our next problem is find the differentiation of fx equal to root x at x equal to 2. Here we will also first differentiate fx. The differentiation of fx equal to root x is half x to the power minus 1 by 2. Now to find dfx dx at x equal to 2, we will substitute x by 2. That is, we will have 1 by 2 into 2 to the power minus half, which is 1 by 2 root 2. Now we will learn another important formula, that is d dx of g of fx equal to d dfx of g of fx into d dx of fx. That is, if we have to find the differentiation of a function which is also a function of x, we will find the differentiation using this formula. I know the formula is somehow complicated, but now we will see the application of this formula. Our next problem based on this formula is find the differentiation of fx equal to sec 2x at x equal to pi by 6. Now, comparing sec 2x with g of fx, we can see fx is 2x and g of fx is sec 2x. Then to find the differentiation of sec 2x, we will write d dx of sec 2x, which is equal to d d2x of sec 2x into d dx of 2x. Now we know d dx of sec x is sec x tan x. So d d2x of sec 2x is sec 2x tan 2x and d dx of 2x is 2. So the differentiation of fx equal to sec 2x is simply 2 sec 2x tan 2x. To find dfx dx at x equal to pi by 6, we will substitute x by pi by 6. So dfx dx at x equal to pi by 6 is 4 root 3. As we know, sec pi by 3 is 2 and tan pi by 3 is root 3. Our next problem is find the differentiation of fx equal to x to the power 2 by 3 at x equal to 1 by 27. Here we again find the differentiation of fx equal to x to the power 2 by 3, which is 2 by 3 into x to the power minus 1 by 3. Now to find dfx dx at x equal to 1 by 27, we will substitute x by 1 by 27. That is, we will get 2 by 3 into 1 by 27 whole to the power minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3 into 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Simplifying this, we will get 2. So the differentiation of fx equal to x to the power 2 by 3 at x equal to 1 by 27 is 2. Our next problem is find the differentiation of fx equal to cot x by 2, where x equal to pi. Now to find the differentiation of cot x by 2, we will use the formula of differentiating a function which is also a function of x. Here x by 2 is fx and cot x by 2 is g of fx. So to find d dx of cot x by 2, we will write d dx by 2 of cot x by 2 into d dx of x by 2. Now we know d dx of cot x is minus cosec square x. So d dx by 2 of cot x by 2 is minus cosec square x by 2, and d dx of x by 2 is 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore the differentiation of cot x by 2 is minus half cosec square x by 2. Therefore, to find dfx dx at x equal to pi, we will substitute x by pi. That is, we will have minus 1 by 2 cosec square pi by 2. Now we know cosec pi by 2 is 1. Therefore, dfx dx at x equal to pi is minus half, where fx equal to cot x by 2. Our next problem is find the differentiation of y equal to 4 at x equal to 2. Now to differentiate y equal to 4, that is to find dy dx, we will have d dx of 4 which is equal to 0, as the differentiation of any constant is 0. Therefore dy dx at x equal to 2 will also be 0. Our next problem is find the differentiation of fx equal to cos 2x at x equal to pi by 4. Now to differentiate cos 2x, we will write d d2x of cos 2x into d dx of 2x, as fx is 2x and g of fx is cos 2x here. Therefore the differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x. Now to find dfx dx at x equal to pi by 4, we will substitute x by pi by 4. That is, we will have minus 2 sin 2 into pi by 4, which is equal to minus 2. Please subscribe our channel 1 to N Teaching and click the bell button to get notifications. If these solutions are helpful to you, please like our video, drop your comment and share this video.